Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And recently Microsoft launched new update KB5028185 22H2 for Windows 11. Okay, so how to install manually if not getting fast? So you can firstly check to start button, then go to setting, then go to Windows update, and please check it. If not show, so you can go to Microsoft catalog page and you can download from here and you can install. Okay, firstly check it from update sections. If not getting, so we can do. Okay, so please wait because Windows checking new updates. So guys, in this update many problems solved, like bugs and security purpose and your mouse issues in gaming, mouse your lagging, like slow workings like this. So all the issues the fix in these updates. Okay, but checking update is many time to work. Okay, so close it, open browsers. Firstly type, guys, come on the first Google, then type catalog Microsoft. Okay, first this link, then guys type KB 5028185, then enter. So this is recently update. Okay, 64-bit 22H. Okay, so you can download for this one. Okay, then show link, then you click to that link and automatically download. So guys, already downloading starting, and finally this is download, and open browsers, and guys right click to run as administrator, size 301 MB, and double click to launch. So this update is already installed, that's why it shows that pop-up. So you can try when you download and just double click to launch and then restart your system, no issue. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye. Have any issues, so please comment me, I will support you.